Are you thinking about starting a dropshipping business in the UK, but worried about the legal side of things? So here's something that might surprise you. 73% of dropshippers make costly mistakes that could have actually been avoided. So today I'm going to show you how to register your dropshipping business in the UK the right way. Hi guys, my name is Des from the Ecom Corner, and I also have a small community called the Ecom Network where we show guys just like you how to grow and scale e-commerce businesses. I'm going to answer this question today because I got a message in the forum this morning with someone else actually asking me this. So yes, you need to register your business in the UK if your business is going to be doing at least £1,000 a year in tax revenue. So there are a few ways to register. The main ones that you're probably going to be concerned with is either a sole trader or a partnership or a limited company. Now, as a sole trader, you're personally going to be responsible for managing and running the business, and it's going to be in your name. And the same is actually true for a partnership. You're still going to be considered joint owners, but you're going to be both responsible for the business. The great thing about being either a sole trader or a partnership is the accounting is a lot easier. Now, with a limited company, the actual accounting is a lot more complicated, but there are several tax benefits that come with that. The only thing I will say is just be prepared for more paperwork. Now, here's a quick tip for you if you are actually thinking about starting a dropshipping business. You want to start really as a sole trader, but the key here is you need to have a separate bank account separate from your personal account. Then as your business starts to scale, you can then register to be a limited company. And depending on who you bank with, they will make it easy for you to transition your business from a sole trader or partnership account to a full limited company account. What they can do is they can basically just transfer all the transactions. And the great thing is you would have learned to actually deal with your business separately from your personal account. So by the time you actually start a limited company account, you know exactly how to run it, and that's why it's so important to keep it separate. Now, it's really easy. Once you've actually chosen a business structure, whether it's a sole trader or a partnership, you don't really need to do much other than register with a bank and register with the HMRC. However, if you're going to set up a limited company, you need to set that up with Companies House. And the good thing is you don't even really need to set up for VAT just yet. While you're still quite small, I wouldn't register for VAT just yet until your business actually starts scaling. Now, if you are a sole trader or you are a partnership, I would recommend just going with a local bookkeeper that can actually get you registered online with HMRC. I wouldn't do that yourself. Let your accountant do that for you. And it's very similar if you actually set up a company as well. Let your accountant do everything. It generally costs about £12 to get signed up with Companies House, and then whatever your accountant's going to charge you to set things up, but it won't be that expensive. But one thing I will say is, and this part is really important, if your turnover exceeds over £85,000 in a year, then you really need to register for VAT, and you can do that with HMRC as well. And again, I'd recommend using your accountant for that. Just remember to keep digital copies of all your paperwork, and also remember to put the filing dates in your calendar so you never miss those. Guys, this can save you thousands in late fines and fees. And just remember, registering your business isn't just for law, it's actually for you too. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget we've got a free school community where you can sign up, and it's completely and totally free, where we actually teach entrepreneurs just like you how to start and scale e-commerce businesses. Hey there, e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. And guys, if you found this video helpful, you'll like my next video, which shows you what dropshipping is and how to get started.